Liftoff. Americans return to space.
Welcome back to Wondermints. Let's look at 23 amazing International Space Station facts. Number 1. The International Space Station, or ISS, lies in low Earth orbit. 2. Its first component launched into orbit in 1998. The ISS is the largest international body in orbit and can often be seen with the naked eye from Earth. 4. It took 136 space flights on 7 different launch vehicles to successfully build the International Space Station. 5. The ISS flies at 7.7 kilometers per second, or 4.8 miles per second. It's fast enough to reach the moon and then come back again in just about a day. 6. The ISS weighs 1 million pounds together with visiting spacecraft. 7. It uses 8 miles of wire to connect the electrical system. That would be enough to connect a hairdryer in Newark, New Jersey, to a power plug in New York City. 8. The ISS has the surface area of an American football field, making it the same size as the Tantive 4 Krellin Corvette that carried Princess Leia in Star Wars. 9. It has a habitable space of a 6-bedroom house. Number 10. The International Space Station has 2 bathrooms, a gymnasium and a 360-degree bay window. 11. The ISS became the spaceport for the SpaceX Dragon spacecraft, 89 Russian Soyuz spacecraft, 4 Japanese HTV cargo spacecraft, 37 space shuttle missions, and 4 European ATV cargo spacecraft. 12. All of the research experiments and the spacecraft systems are kept in 100 telephone booth-sized racks. 13. The ISS solar range surface area is 88 acres, or 38,400 square feet, enough to cover 8 basketball courts. 14. 52 computers are used for controlling the International Space Station. 15. The ISS has its internal volume of 32,333 cubic feet, almost the same as a Boeing 747 jumbo jet. 16. The International Space Station crews have eaten about 25,000 meals since 2000. 7 tons of the supplies are needed for 3 astronauts over 6 months. 17. There are 211 people coming from 15 different countries who have visited the International Space Station. Number 18. When the ISS has reached the end of its life, the modules will be reused to create a 3rd space station for the purpose of supporting the interplanetary mission to Mars and Saturn, as well as on the Moon. They will serve as the launching and return point. 19. The International Space Station brings together 100,000 people working from different agencies. There are more than 500 contractor facilities in 37 US states and 16 countries. 20. The International Space Station circles Earth every 90 minutes and it flies over many populated areas. 21. The ISS is the most expensive single type of object ever built. The United States participation was estimated at $96 billion, a figure that is almost more than the cost of the Apollo moon missions. 22. Candles burn differently in microgravity. The flame on Earth is hot, and since heat rises it makes a slender shape. In microgravity, the second picture, the flame only expands in a sphere. 23. Dexter is one of the ISS's robot arms. Like many of the station's experiments and robotic arms, it can be operated from Earth and perform tasks while the crew sleeps. Thanks for watching Wondermints. Check out our other videos and be sure to like, share and subscribe for new videos every week. See ya.